Most traders make money during the week, during a period, again and again, nicely, beautifully, fantastically, and give that profit back on Friday. This is about the day traders. Similarly, most of the traders make profits during the whole month, and by the end of the month, they give it back to the market. Why is it happening? I will be discussing this, how a losing streak starts, what are those emotions behind it, how a trader gets trapped into the market and give back everything he has made in a period of 1 month, if a position trader, or at the end of the week if a day trader or intraday trader. How this whole system is designed to trap the retail traders, I'm going to discuss that, and this is part 2 of my chart mastery course. The first video link you can get in the iCard above. Those who really want to become good and successful traders must understand these concepts that I am giving right here free of cost to all of you. Try to not skip the video and pay very close attention to what I say, because what I'm saying it for those who are stuck somewhere, who are not making money nicely, who have a lot of the technical knowledge, but still no return is generated by the end of the period. So, in these chart mastery courses, I will time to time discuss in different episodes different concepts. And if one watch these episodes, can become a very good trader and can be aware of his mistakes. So today, just don't want to go much into the details of everything. I just want to highlight some basic minor problems that most of the traders repeat on regular basis, and due to those mistakes, they ends up in big losses. Remember, my friends, right here I want to tell you one thing, and that is, let me first check this pen. Yes, working fine. Remember one thing. See right here in front of us, this is a chart at the moment. We can see the up waves, we can see the down waves, we can see literally everything right here on these charts. See, and this is the classic example of a very good and healthy market. See, we see these. What are these waves? If I tell you this is a bullish market, so if this is a bullish market, then what is this drop? What is this drop then? And what is this drop? And what is this drop? And if this is a bearish market right here, then what is this? Buy rally, buy rally. What is this buy rally? Why is this buy rally? Why? Did you ever think about it? Understand it, okay? This is a very core or important principle in the chart mastery. Because see, right here in these sessions, I just don't teach the charts, but if I tell you, mainly focuses on different things at the same time to make you a good trader. Even if you are a beginner, this session is going to be super beneficial for you as well. I focuses on chart technicals, right? Then on these technicals, we have strategy as well. Then along with the strategy, we have to read price action as well. See, price action, strategy, chart technicals. What are they? Everything falls under the category of market structure. Everything falls under the category of market structure. I was saying, what are these things then? These downward moves that we see. So when a beginner trader joins the forex trading and they say, okay, since it is dropping, they will right here, they will be selling this market. Exactly right here, they will be selling market. And right here, they will be buying this market. Why? Don't they see this is a bullish move we have? Are they aware of the what they say, change of character in the markets? If one is not aware of the change of character, then how come this possible? The trader can stop this behavior. This one, selling low, buying high without understanding a trend line. I was saying, in the market structure there are a lot of the concepts. Even if I say MMC, market maker concepts, this is also part of the market structure. Then smart money concept, this is also part of the market structure, because if we don't understand these concepts, how we stop this behavior of buying high, selling low? How do we understand that if this is a sell, if this market is dropping, why is it dropping, what type of wave it is? So let me tell you this in simple words, we call in our language. See, like this is the market, let me draw it right here as this. This is a sell, okay, this is a sell. But right here, if you focus, this is which trend? This is bullish trend. This is bullish trend. So in a bullish trend, these are the corrective waves. These are the corrective waves. Remember, there are two different concepts. Number one is the market structure in which we mostly focuses on the technicals. That includes all of these things. See, chart technicals, strategy, price action, and there are a lot of more concepts which I don't want to go into the details for now, because then the video length will be way too long. I want to keep these episodes a little bit short. So a losing streak starts when a trader for some reason make good profit from here, from here, from here. But then when the profit increases, that trader fell into the trap. Okay, now I also want to make money from the sell. So either be a counter trend trader or be a trend trader. If you are a counter trend trader, you will be buying right here, buying right here, and counter trend you will be selling right here. But if you are a trend trader, you will be buying right here, you will be buying right here, buying right here, buying, as far as the change of character doesn't occur. So I was saying market structure has these different things. So market structure plus there is one important concept which nobody talks about on the internet these days. I am not sure why. Maybe because the brokers will get then less commission, because most of the traders, if you realize that okay, trading is not my thing, then a lot of the traders will not be coming to the trading. See, like, look at it this way. If you watch this video right now and if you understand that okay, this is now not my thing, trading is not my thing, and you leave, the money that you are supposed to be losing in this market, out of that money the brokers would get huge commissions from you. So perhaps that's one the reason we are not told this, and that is the psychology. And if you are following me for at least even 4 or 5 months, you will understand that I said once and even so many times after that, this whole chart you see, this is a new world inside. It has ups, it has downs, it has news. Just like in real life we have news, similarly there are fundamental activities which can affect. So in the psychology we discuss the mindsets. This is another separate world inside it. Mindsets, positivity, you just name it. Trade management, risk management, etc. A lot of the things. So at the start, when I was new on YouTube, I used to do the structure side of it only. Then slowly, with the passage of time, I realized that nah, this is not just the technicals. Because literally, the YouTube is full of forecasts these days. But only a tiny fraction of people are making advantage of it. And even those traders are those who have spent years and years in this market, not the beginners ones. So any trader who is serious about learning it should decide from now on that okay, now I need to work on the psychology. And psychology, in a simple word, if I say, these are emotions. Now one can easily say greed, fear, anger, everything, revenge, these are emotions, right? But then how to deal those emotions, that is in itself a very separate concept. How I overcome on my own emotions, if I tell you, during these episodes I will be communicating it to you again and again and again. So I want to keep the length of the video not too long. That's why I will be leaving it for the other video perhaps. But the emotions thing, this is we have to understand. Now you understand this concept because I'm going a little bit further. Okay, a little bit further. Psychology, mindset, positivity, trade management. I will be showing it to you on chart right now. So let's clean up the chart a little bit and let me show you that, okay, after all, how that losing streak starts. So once you are aware of your mistake, obviously you will not be repeating that again. Simple. Let's clean this as well. A little bit this as well. Or let's do it this way. Clean the whole chart. Let me write it down again. Market structure plus psychology. Now pay close attention how the market makers trap you. Everyone knows from right here the market took a bounce. Here we have got a change of character to the bullish side of the market. On change of character, I discussed it in this previous weekly forecast videos as well. In the weekly forecast in which I was discussing the dollar index, I pretty much have shown you the change of character on the dollar index, on the euro dollar, on the dollar yen, on the pound US dollar. Even in the gold video, I have shown you that this is the change of character. Now it's up to you how you understand it. I have this strategy which is very simple and I did not kept it private from or secret from anyone. In this ABCD, in which 61.8% retracement is usually my entry point, D is my take profit 2, and B is my take profit 1. Simple. It's like very simple. See, this is A. Isn't it 61.8% retracement? It is. I discussed it in my weekly Forex forecast video. Take profit 1 hit. Then this again, isn't it a 61.8% retracement? Look at it. If I tell you, even a simple trend line trader could trade it as well and made money from. Simple. See, till here, let's say we are not sure whether it's going. Even right here, let's say, I will say we were a bit afraid. Again, an emotion. We didn't trade it. But I say, okay, right here, this was the first touch. Right here. I mean, how many confirmations do we need? This is a classic breakout retest trade. Now count how many trades this market gave. Breakout retest trade. Just count, okay? Then Fibonacci trade. Then another Fibonacci trade. then a trend line trade, then another trend line TLT, trend line trade, then a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement trade, then another 61.8% retracement trade, then another trend line trade. How many? Count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 good trading opportunities there were. Now inside it, above the, like, this trend line, each time the market come back down till the trend line, market took a bounce from here. Who could trade these? Those who were not looking for a sell, who were not looking for a sell, who were not looking for a sell. They could trade it this one. And who could trade these sell trades? Those who were looking for a sell. So then here comes again another concept. See, there are two: bull and bear. When a new member comes to me, I usually teach this concept, and that is to tell him, decide whether you want to stay bull or a bear. You want to stay a seller or you want to stay a buyer. This is simple. You can do it right now. From now on, decide with your own self. Pick any instrument and either become a bull or a bear. I mean, either become a buyer or a seller. I know these days, even when I live stream, most of the traders come and say, "Hey, Aftab, is it going up? Shall I take a sell from there? Shall I take a buy from there?" I say, "What's your plan? What is your own plan? Do you want to stay bull or you want to stay bear? If you want to stay both, it is like your one leg is in one boat and your other leg is in one boat. Little bit of here and there and you will be inside into the water. Simple. Those who understand the difference between either to be a bull or a bear. I ask you a question. Do you want to stay a bull right here? See, bull made profit even though we have seen a change of character right here. Bull made profit, even the seller made profit. From 2 weeks ago, from my weekly forecast video, I clearly mentioned I want to stay now bear because I was bull above this. Why above this I was bull? Why? Because I have my own system. Right now, I can become a bull, no doubt. I can become a bull, but I just don't want to break that discipline. Buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. Oh, my brother, you are not a machine. You are not a robot. So, if you understand the difference of this bull and this bear, believe me, those losing streaks, they will not be there. They will literally not be there. And you will be nicely, effortlessly making profits. And when, for example, right here, let's say you are a bull right here, you made profit, now you are waiting for the price to come back down. Look at it this way. The price of one thing is going up. You bought at a lower price and you sold at a higher price. When you sold it, now you have nothing. Now, obviously, psychologically, you will be waiting for the price to come back down. So, when it come back down, you buy again. And what this market is doing, these 8 trades, buying, 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 buy. How many buy? Just count it. Just count it. And then a time comes that when market stops us out. So right here, if I say we made 500 pips right here, it's okay to give 100 pips back as a stop loss. Now this is trade management and risk management, and it has something to do with the psychology. So if that trader understand that, okay, if this 100 pips was supposed to be gone, it go, simply it go, and I accept this reality, and it is how it is. I cannot stop it. It is how it is, and it will be forever. Remember, market is not going to change itself for me. I have to understand the market. We have to understand the market. So if right here, if one say I lost this 100 pips, oh, a moment ago I was in 500 pips of profit and now I have lose 100 pips. Okay, right now, since, let me show you a little bit precisely. Right now, okay, let me see it this. See, the market go very nice. Pin bar, oh wow, very nice. Oh, this is also standing at a support. Oh man, now I have to take this buy. You take this buy, boom. Market go against you. Now then there are categories of people who set stop losses. Obviously they accepted that, okay, a moment ago I had 400 pips plus. Now my friend, I have lose this trade as well, so 350 is left. I say this is also a little bit good because he set his stop losses. But then there are those who say, no, market is going to reverse. Market is going to reverse. And when right here they enter another trade, it's going very nice, positive, and keep buying, that the market is going there and boom. The same 400 pips of plus convert it into a 800 pips negative. And then the traders say, oh, I gave everything back. The market is not good. The brokers are playing with me. So to that trader, I will say, if you don't look at it the right way, most of the time 400 plus will be converting to 800 negative. So the more you understand it, the better. You need to be aware of your trading psychology. So time to time I will appear right here. Do give me your feedback in the comment section down below. And these are educational videos. Then I will be focusing on the live streams as well. I will be discussing them there as well. So let's see. My goal is, let's see if, let's say 100, if I make 100 pips for myself alone, I make 100 pips. But if 100 people are following me and they make 100 pips, out of my experience, I will consider this 10,000 pips as my own reward. And when will that be possible? When you guys will be listening to what I say. Okay, it doesn't mean how much experience you have. Okay, sometimes when we are into these charts, we forget about our experience and everything. We just keep losing 95% of the traders, I'm telling you. Okay, so understand these concepts, reach back to me so that I further explain these. This is how that losing streak starts. There is a lot of psychology as well, because in one video I cannot cover it. Obviously in the live streams I will be covering that a lot. So let's see in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.